Hello.
Living in the moment, you're loving the campervan life. You're living in the moment and loving the campervan life. Ooh.
Hi guys. Well, I've come down for another weekend. Well, not a weekend. I've come down for an overnighter at the field and to meet Austin. We just spent the evening chatting. Well, I'd say the evening. I didn't come down till about 9:30, so it was a bit late because we had a lot to do at home. But we've been having a little wander using Wander Street View app, and Austin had a headset on as well. So we've been exploring, and I'll just maybe serve some toast and a drink. Because we had tea quite early, so I'm going to have this and probably watch something before I go to sleep. It's gone midnight now, so I will speak to you in a little while. There we go, bed's all ready for sleeping in. Well, move the cushions off and then it'll be ready. So yes, I'm ready for bed. I've just had my coffee and toast and just turned the lights out. So I'm leaning in into the bed so you can see me. I'm quite tired today. Been quite a busy day, so I'll be glad to get into bed. I'll watch a bit of Netflix, I expect. I've got one of these arms with a mobile phone mount on it. So I've got some Netflix loaded onto my phone, some Only Fools and Horses and stuff. So I think I shall probably watch an episode of that before I actually go to sleep. Maybe even some YouTube as well. That'd be good. And yeah, so I'm actually using a new setup at the moment. So Jenny got me a Hero 7 Black for my birthday. And I bought one of these cases for it that you can put the microphone adapter in the bottom of. So I've got that in there. I'll put a picture up, probably here or something now, so you can see. So it's on like a Manfrotto, like a mini tripod thing. With that case, with the microphone adapter in, with a Rode Video Micro thing on top, push that down, and a Loom Cube on that side, which I haven't got on at the moment actually. So if I turn it on, there we go. I'll just tip it back a little bit so it's not interfering, flaring on the lens. That can get quite bright. So it goes all the way up to, that's about halfway, it goes all the way up to 15 lumens, which is too bright. So just take that down a bit a minute. If I have it on, and I'm going to have on the first or second setting. So this GoPro is really good actually. It's the best GoPro they've ever done. I did buy the DJI, it's late, DJI Osmo Pocket, and I love that as well. It's really good. But these two kind of cancel each other out. I think the Osmo Pocket is probably excuse me, better in low light, because it's a motorized gimbal, it's a mechanical gimbal, whereas this uses software to stabilize. It does a very good job of it in good light. I don't think it's quite so good in low light, which is why I've got this Loom Cube with one of these diffusers on, which works quite well. You'll have seen in the picture anyway. But yeah, it's a good little vlogging setup. I quite like this, and the GoPro actually does some really good. It's got a lot of good features. It's got the time lapses, the video lapses, time warp, very good stabilization. Yeah, it's very good. The Osmo Pocket is very good as well, but can't see me using both. So I like this little setup I got now with a GoPro, so I think I'm going to have to let the Osmo Pocket go. So it could possibly be gone by the time you see this video. Never mind. Right, I'm going to go to bed and I'm going to watch some Netflix, and I will probably see you in the morning. It's raining at the moment. It's quite heavy rain. Don't know if you can hear that with the microphone. So I think that's going to lull me to sleep. Oh, I think it's getting a bit windy as well. Probably. Yeah, so I think that's going to lull me to sleep, so that's good. But I'll be all nice and snug in this lovely bed. Just show you my bed again. How cool is that? Very snug. And of course I got the little shapy things, which makes it even more cosy in there. So that's good. Yeah, I really like this bed. I'm very comfortable in there. I've got a proper sprung mattress in. It's a 6 foot by 4 foot mattress, so it's a small double. And yeah, it's very good. And you've all seen Nina. Let's turn that up a bit. So that's my thermal blackout curtains, blue ones. I bought them like that. I think they're 46 inches wide by 72 inches drop. And you don't see my toilet really do, but yeah, they work very well like that. I've just got them wrapped over some curtain wires I've put onto the back of the whatever you call that, the cab roof. So yeah, that should be good. Just to show you these pictures again. And where's the one we took tonight? That's the one we took tonight. Me and Austin. I'll take another one tomorrow in the daylight, so it looks better. And Rocco. I better get one of me and Ellie as well, won't I? That was a bit overexposed, that one. And there's one of Joe and Rick. Yeah. And home is wherever you park it. Let's turn this up and then get it down again. There we go. Yeah, so I'm going to go to bed now. I will see you guys in the morning. Night night. Hi guys, I'm just watching some Friends on Netflix. It's still pouring down out there. I'm nice and snug and warm. So I'm going to carry on watching this and fall asleep, so I will see you guys later. Bye. Morning guys. Well, just to prove to you that Austin is here. There he is.
No, not here.
And look what he's doing.
I'm a figment of his imagination.
Great big lemon birthday cake there. With a cup
Happy
on.
birthday.
It's actually birthday cake from Jen's cousin Maz, so thank you Maz. Yeah, I've just got up. Austin's been up about 6 hours since dawn.
Yeah, I reckon.
Ella's digging holes in the field.
Yes, a little better.
And this is our breakfast at the moment, so
Yeah, it is actually.
so we might be doing a little plate of chips or something for dinner in a bit. So don't know what we're going to get up to. I've got a couple of hours before I have to go back, so I will come back to you in a little bit. Cheers guys. Hi guys. Austin's supposed to be vlogging, but
yes, I've got issues. I've got issues.
So I thought I'd just say hello quickly. So we've had a bit to eat, and we just had a photo taken outside on my little Polaroid, which is just developing at the moment. And he's talking all over me again. I can't get the staff these days. No. Everybody does it. Yeah, no. So we're just going to sit here. I think we're going to do a little chat with Austin's camera, and probably just sit and drink more tea after that.
Hey, I was working now.
Yay!
That's weird.
Look at it. It's coming out, coming out, coming out. No, Austin. Getting there.
1970s pictures, isn't it?
Yeah. I like the process of these cameras. I don't know if you remember that camera that my sister bought me. I like the process when they it pops the little photo out. and then you have to wait for it to develop. I love it. So I bought some black and white films go in there as well, but I've just put a colour one in, so I need to use those up, and I'll put that in next.
Yeah, I got mine. I got my film camera as well, haven't I?
Yeah. Something else to go up on my little peg thing there in a minute. Yeah, I don't know if that'll darken up a bit more. It's quite bright. I don't think there's any way to turn the flash off on it. The flash just works automatically. Yeah. Maybe I need to cover it over next time. Anyway,
I thought he was talking to me.
No, I'm talking to the lovely people.
Yeah, lovely people. Not the horrible part in here.
So Austin's over there trying to hang on, let's sort you out. Trying to sort his camera out. How you getting on then, Aust?
Sound test. Oh, it's peaking already. Cool, it's dead sensitive, isn't it? What's it doing?
Sensitive.
Woohoo! Filming.
Filming.
Except I'm not filming. Oh well.
So I'm going to stop now and we're going to carry on with Austin's. If you need to see what we say next, go over to Austin's channel, Scudo Camper.
See you over there.
See ya. Right, we're just going to have a little bit of dinner and then I'm going off. So we've got the table all nicely set up. This is my new dinette that Austin suggested I do, because I was just going to build a bench along here. And he's going to mention his teeth anyway, isn't he? So.
Yeah, because when you can't be on camera when you ain't got any teeth. So I've got to sit like this.
Always mentions it. Never mind. Nobody really notices, do they? Really?
They do, because they say how nice they look. Well, I haven't got them, so they're not. I've got to cover them up.
So we're going to have some. I'll switch it back on in a minute, show you what we're having. But yeah, we've got to just set my table up. So probably for the first time actually properly. So yeah, quite chuffed. So when I dish that up, I'll show you what we do, and then that'll probably be it for today. So see you in a minute.
And I can't lift the plate up when it's got food on it, because it'll go all over the floor.
So you might look a bit miserable when I show you what we're actually eating. But, see you in a bit. Right, I'm going to dish up now. Turn the oven off. Actually, I'll show you what's going on down here. Oh. There we go. Look at that. Chippers and pizza. Mmm. Let's dish it up then. Cooking vid. So easy with an oven. Look at those. Right, let's give Austin some chippers.
Yum, 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 yum.
Cooked to perfection.
Look, it's man, look.
There we go, and then we got pizza to follow. Oh yeah, it's quite warm, mind. Oh, look at those. Oh, these are 60p each in Co-op.
Check out the price.
There you go.
Cheers, mate. I see what you meant by the plate. It wasn't quite big enough, was it?
There we go, let's show you before it gets scoffed. Pizza and chips done in a camper van in my new oven. Yay. Right, I'm going to eat that now, and I probably won't do any more. There might be a little bit of footage of a woodpecker coming on now. I've got the camera set up out there.
Now.
No.
Now.
Now. Well, after I've finished, after I finish speaking, yeah. So yeah, so I will see you guys later. This was just a short video, just coming down to see Austin for the night, and yum 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 yum. Don't forget your salt and vinegar, mate.
Oh yeah.
And sauce, salty. And Jane, we got the Cornish sea salt. There
oh yes, very nice. Yeah, I'll definitely have some of that then.
Take care, guys. See you later. See you in the next vid. Bye.
Bye.
Living in the moment, You're loving the campervan life. You're living in the moment and loving the campervan life.